In front of me is Honor 600 Lite 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. If you don't have a Suggestion Strip, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. This way you can click on System and Updates, and then Language and Input. Now tap on Gboard. Select Text Correction and use this switcher next to Search Suggestion Strip to activate it. When you finished, just go back to your Gboard to check it out. Quick tip, now thanks to Suggestion Strip, you can click on gear icon at the top of Gboard and access its settings right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!